Hey guys, it's your girl. You already know, Shaka.
Lost now you might know. I can fulfill me way out. Every day a problem.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah, I meant it. Welcome back. But anyway, before we get into the video, you just need to appreciate my beauty. I'm looking cute, so tell my haters bye. Bye. Kidding. So guys, today's video is all about you applying for your first ever British passport as an adult. Yeah, so I already applied for mine, so I'm going to tell you guys the process I went through and how I did it in my own experience. Disclaimer, bear in mind, I am not a lawyer. I don't give advice. I don't work in home office, nothing. So please, this is my experience. So I don't want you to be coming to me asking for information based on home office. I don't work for them. I have no idea. So I went through the process. So this is what I'm telling you guys, what I do. And if you want to follow, that's fine. But please bear in mind, always contact home office and contact your lawyer or whosoever that is dealing with your situation. I am not a lawyer. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. I'll look cute. So yeah, number one, on my previous video I already said that you have to stay in the country for 5 years. You have to apply. In order for you to become a British citizen, you have to go through naturalization. If you wasn't born here, if you're up to a certain age, and you have to stay in the country for 5 years. So when I came, it already passed the age limit, so my parent couldn't apply for me, and which was really sad, but we moved. So yeah, now I'm here for 5 years, more than 5 years. So I applied. When I applied for my naturalization, and then I got accepted after that, the following month, that's when I sent my passport for my application for my British passport. So the first step I did, I went on Gov. So yeah guys, this is it. So now this is the Gov website. So this is how it looks like. So what you're going to go for, you're gonna go for passport, travel and living abroad. Click on that. So you click on passport and getting your first adult passport. Click on that. And these are the stuff that you're going to need, what documents you need, where to apply, whether it's by paper or online. So these are everything that he will told you and all the information that you need. So you're going to click next. If you want to know what type of documents you're going to need, so you press next. So yeah, so these are all the information that it will told you in terms of you applying. So yeah, this is everything. There you go, everything. So next, you're going to say next, apply online. So I was talking about the digital photo. So this is it. So you can click on that and it will tell you exactly what you have to do, supporting documents, and that's the cost with everything. So it says start application. So when you press start application, this is how it's going to look like. So it's going to ask you all the basic information that you needed in order for you to apply. So once you apply, you just send everything, and they will send you a address where you need to send your documents. So guys, I went on Gov and applied for my first British passport. So they asked me the proof ID that I need to show documents was my passport that I came from my country. So I came from Sierra Leone, West Africa. I make a fine suit. So yeah, so that was the first one. They need a proof, which was my country passport, the current one and the old one, and also they need my naturalization document, which I've got, but I don't know why I misplaced it. I know I've got it somewhere, but I don't know where I put it. So you need that. Once you got everything, all of the documents that they required, and you apply for your passport, which is £75. If you want to apply online, it's £75. If you want to apply through post, that's £85. So there's different type of way for you to apply. So I applied online. So when you apply, you send your application. Once your application is there, they will tell you where to send your documents. So what I did, I post everything to the home office address that they gave to me. So after posting that was it. So I sent it off. Once sent everything off, I was just like, that's it, I did it, I done, I'm finished, finito, finish. That was it. So I was happy. Say, because that was like a burden that was up my head, you know, because you know, when you want to achieve something in life, you got certain target that you want to accomplish in certain age, certain years, certain months. So when I achieved that, that was the greatest achievement. Sorry, my word, I can't really get them right. So yeah, I sent that off and that was it. So when I sent everything off, I couldn't even worry because I know that I already did that. So I was at peace. Like I felt like there was a burden that just lifted, like there was a burden that just lifted out or up. Is it up? Yeah, up. Yeah, up. So yeah, and that was it. So sent it and wait. But when I sent the application, I did a mistake again. Like I said on my first video, I did a mistake. So on the passport as well, I did another mistake that I didn't put my middle name, which was Kamara. I didn't put it, I forgot. So I went and I called them, emailed them and tell them that this is it. So what they said to me, I need to write a cover letter. So immediately I write a cover letter and put it and post everything. Post my country passport and post my naturalization certificate and the cover letter that I wrote. So I post everything to home office. They already gave me an address where to post. I post everything. So they asked me to take a picture. So when you're applying online, it's either you can take a digital picture, which you can stay at home and take by yourself. Someone can take it for you. It wasn't easy because I was at home with my friend that day. I did my makeup. I was gassed. I was like, yeah, I'm going to get the most finest pictures ever. Cool. So I took the picture. I was looking cute, but it wasn't what they wanted. So I was disappointed. So the next day, me and my friend decided to go into town and get proper ID. So I went into town and get ID, like the photo booth. So when you get that ID, there's a number saying, this is me. So yeah, so there's the number at the top. Look how cute I am. So the number at the top, that's when you're going to put on your application online, when you're applying online for your passport. That's the code that you're going to type. Take the picture yourself at home, you can do that. But if it does not comply with what Home Office wants, it's either you retry it again, or it's either you go to like a photo booth and take a proper ID picture. So I went to a photo booth and I took ID picture like I already showed you guys, which is this one. And that's the code there. So that's the code you're going to type. And once you type that, your picture automatically going to pop up. And they will ask you, sure, this is the picture that you want to use. So you say yes, and you just complete everything. So once everything is done, that's it, you send it. So I sent my application and I sent it before. Yeah, I sent it during this whole quarantine pandemic and stuff. So like, because normally they say it takes 6 months for them to get back with a decision in regards to your red passport, to your British passport. Sorry, why am I saying red? Actually, it's red. Is it red or Bangladesh? Red, yeah? Yeah, red. So yeah, I sent it off and that was like keeping me posted, like always check your email because they will be emailing you in regards to your application. And also they will give you like a tracking number where you can log in and for you to trace your application. So I traced my application, everything was there. So when after that they will ask you to get 2 referees, someone to sign for you. So I've got 2 of my best people that help me out. I'm not going to mention the name because they already know the love. Already like, you know, don't worry girl, I'm coming to cook for you. Bro, I'm coming to cook for you as well. So thank you guys so much. Like it means a lot. So like it was a night, I messaged both of them and they were so happy to help me out. So they helped me out and I was like, praise the Lord. So they did. So sent my application. After that I just have to wait. I was tracking my application, So that's when they say your application has been approved. So once your application is been approved, and that's it, you just wait and they will message you, oh, your application is being printed. After brings it, that's it, boom, 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 and they sent it off. So you need to sign for it and just get it done and just sign at the back. So I won't say it takes 6 months. It doesn't take 6 months. It would take 6 months if it's really, really something serious. That's what I would think. But it doesn't take 6 months. And yeah, so it wasn't really a hard process, but this is just like my experience. So I don't know, did I forget anything? If I did, so please just drop a comment below and ask me any question that you feel that you want to know more, and I will tell you. But please guys, take care and be safe. This is just a quick video like I promised to do, because look at my hair, I'm looking cute. Yeah, so guys, please be safe out there and please stay tuned for my next video.